German Shepherd all-natural care, holistic approaches to dog health. German Shepherds are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They make excellent working dogs, family pets, and service animals. However, just like any other breed, German Shepherds require regular care and maintenance to ensure their overall health and well-being. While many dog owners opt for traditional veterinary care, an increasing number of people are turning to holistic approaches for their German Shepherd's health needs. In this article, we will explore some holistic approaches that can be beneficial for the health of German Shepherds. 1. Nutrition. One of the most important aspects of holistic care for German Shepherds is their diet. Providing a nutritionally balanced and wholesome diet is essential for their overall health. It is recommended to feed them high-quality, natural dog food that is free from artificial additives, preservatives, and fillers. Additionally, incorporating fresh fruits and vegetables into their diet can provide essential vitamins and minerals. Some German Shepherd owners also opt for raw feeding or homemade diets for their dogs, as they believe it is closer to their natural diet in the wild. 2. Herbal supplements. Herbal supplements can be a valuable addition to a German Shepherd's health regimen. Herbs like turmeric, milk thistle, and chamomile have been used for centuries to support various aspects of canine health. Turmeric, for example, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate joint pain and inflammation in German Shepherds, which is a common health issue in the breed. Milk thistle is known for its liver-supporting properties, while chamomile can help promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. 3. Essential oils. Aromatherapy with essential oils can also be beneficial for German Shepherds. However, it is crucial to use essential oils safely and consult with a professional before using them on your dog. Lavender oil, for example, can help soothe anxiety and promote relaxation, while peppermint oil can be used topically to relieve itching and skin irritations. It is important to dilute essential oils properly and avoid using them near the dog's eyes or sensitive areas. For acupuncture, acupuncture is an ancient Chinese practice that involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to promote balance and healing. This holistic approach can be beneficial for German Shepherds suffering from various health issues, including musculoskeletal problems, allergies, and digestive disorders. Acupuncture is believed to stimulate the body's natural healing mechanisms and promote overall well-being. 5. Physical exercise. Regular physical exercise is crucial for the overall health and well-being of German Shepherds. Engaging in activities such as daily walks, playtime, and interactive games not only helps keep them physically fit but also stimulates their mental and emotional well-being. German Shepherds are an active breed, and providing ample exercise opportunities can help prevent obesity, alleviate behavioral issues, and promote a healthy, happy dog. 6. Emotional care. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and sensitive dogs that thrive on human companionship. Providing them with emotional care and a stimulating environment is essential for their overall well-being. Spending quality time with your German Shepherd, engaging in positive reinforcement training, and providing mental stimulation through interactive toys and puzzles can help prevent boredom and destructive behavior. While holistic approaches can be beneficial for German Shepherds, it is important to remember that they should not replace traditional veterinary care. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and preventive treatments are still essential for their health. It is recommended to consult with a holistic veterinarian who can guide you in incorporating holistic approaches into your German Shepherd's health regimen. In conclusion, holistic approaches to German Shepherd care can be a valuable addition to their overall health and well-being. From nutrition and herbal supplements to essential oils and acupuncture, there are various holistic approaches that can support their physical, mental, and emotional health. However, it is crucial to consult with professionals and ensure a balanced approach that combines both holistic and traditional veterinary care. By providing holistic care, you can give your German Shepherd the best chance at living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life.